Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're raising concrete for School District 200 in Woodstock, Illinois. So why do schools and restaurants and office complexes and medical buildings trust Acme Concrete? Well, we think two reasons. Number one, we are the very first Chicagoland contractor to focus primarily on raising concrete with polyurethane. And number two is that is our primary service. That makes up over 95% of our business. That's what we do. We raise concrete with polyurethane every day. You know, a lot of other contractors that are raising concrete with polyurethane, they really started and primarily do other functions like waterproofing or concrete installation, even landscaping. So what does that mean? Well, that means if a waterproofer comes to raise your concrete and the project doesn't go well, that's okay, because their primary function is waterproofing, and they're going to just keep on continuing on with all their waterproofing jobs. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, we are completely dependent upon knocking every project out of the park every time. We can't be running around failing on jobs, and that's why we have such great ratings and we've been very successful. So if you need concrete raised, polyurethane is the way to go, and you have to rely on an expert to get it done right. So we're going to run through a couple of time-lapse videos and show you what we're doing here today. We hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.